Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit WooCommerce shop with Elementor in 2024. So Elementor gives you complete control over the look of of course, in the feel of your shop. Its intuitive drag and drop feature, making it super easy to customize everything from your product's grid to your shop layout without touching a single line of code. So if you're looking to give your WooCommerce store a unique style and elevate the shopping experience, stick around because we'll walk you on how to do it. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, basically, just go right away, of course, to WooCommerce.com. And of course, it will be working in WordPress. So basically, make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, go and create a new one. The same will be for like WordPress. So for me to install any plugin, I'll use my local host. And here as an example, to install or to edit the WooCommerce shop with Elementor, we will need to install the plugin first. So go to the list panel, click on plugins or hover plugins, and click on add new. You will find yourself basically, once you did that, in here, in this page. Here, just go to the search plugins and look for Elementor. So once you do so, you'll find yourself here. As you can see, this is the one that we're looking for. So just go and click on it. And of course, click on install. For me, it's already installed. So just click on it. And as you can see, you can read the description of it. You can see installation, how it's installed, frequently asked questions, change log with the change in previous patches, screenshots on how it's going to look like. So basically it's drag and drop features, very easy, and even the reviews of other people. So just go and install it. You'll find an install now button like this one. Just go and click on it and then click on activate. For me, I'll not be able to activate it. Why? Because it's incompatible with my version of WordPress. But for you, just go and do it. So once you did that, just go now to pages. As example, you can click on add a new page. And once you click on add a new page, you'll find edits with Elementor here somewhere. Just go and click on it so you can start editing with Elementor. So for me, as we said, because I have an incompatible WordPress version, I'll not be able to do so. So we'll follow up with an article, or let's just even look for an example, a demo or Elementor demo. So Elementor demo. I don't know if I will find something like that. And yeah, let me just go and look for that, maybe something like that. So I can just use it. I already have like an Elementor account and etc. So let me just go in here and connect to my account, my Google account, as example. Yeah, and let's see if I will be able to use it. So I can show you exactly how to edit with Elementor. It's actually very easy because it's drag and drop. So what about this? Is this cool? So it's one. Yeah, create a demo. So let's just wait. API error cannot create. So let me just go and click on it again. Okay, it's not working at the moment. So the Elementor page builder on WordPress. I don't know if it will work, and I'll just click on one once again. So it's going to be 19 in here, create a demo. Okay, so it's not working. So yeah, this is basically the plugin as we said. You'll have just to download it or install it. And of course, this is if you just want to add it to your local host, you'll be able to download it as a zip file and simply add it there. Then I'm not going to do so. So yeah, I'll just close this, and this. Okay, this didn't log in. It seems like we'll just follow an article because we'll not be able to use Elementor. Let me just go and check if we can use it here in their websites or in their home screen or yeah, websites right away on Elementor. So I'll just go here and click on this. Yeah, so it's required plan and etc. So okay, we're not going to do so. So all we need to do or all we're going to do here is simply, I'll just go and type the exact name of our tutorial. So how to edit, as an example, WooCommerce shop with Elementor. So you can find an article that will show you example how to do it. So yeah, this is cool. As an example, 3 tools for editing WooCommerce shop with Elementor. So an example here, understanding WooCommerce templates and yeah, WooCommerce shop page general settings. As an example, a shop page with Elementor Pro. Of course, if you have Elementor Pro, you'll have to pay for it, but it actually gives you a lot of features. And it seems like it even has here some a video on how to like create an Elementor shop page, applying Jet builder widget, showcasing the products with the product loop, creating and styling archive template, setting like the template to a specific page, and also applying like the Jet grid builder widgets. Also here they have a small video example. So the most straightforward way to set up like a shop page is using pre-made templates with products grid or product list widgets. They both have a lot of settings, modify products outputs example. You can even see here how to do it. And yeah, as example here, so they have like the product loop widgets, which you will be able to use. Even a video on how to create like a WooCommerce shop page in Elementor and Jet Builder. Dynamic product table as example. You'll find it here. And yeah, frequently asked question, and this is good. As example, you can even here find some videos that will be helpful as example for you. Even even articles guess by Elementor WooCommerce, example how to customize and edit WooCommerce products page templates visually. So a video presented by Elementor, like right away. So I guess it will be good to like I don't know, try to see what's in here, and you'll definitely know how to edit your WooCommerce shop with Elementor. Sorry, because I will not be able to do that because of the incompatibility with my version of WordPress. So if I go again here to plugins, I'll just go to install plugins, and as you can see for Elementor. The Elementor has its own examples, so etc. You can just go here and click on view details, but as you can see, it's installed, but I'll not be able to activate it. Even if it seems here deactivate, so I'll just go and click on deactivate it. So where is again Elementor? So I'll click on activate. So it seems it's activated here, right? But when I go to pages, example in here, so example, Elementor isn't running because of PHP is outdated. That's why I cannot use it, as you can see. So I'll need to upgrade my PHP version as well as I'll need to update my WordPress. So I'll not be able to do it. So I'll have to follow this step-by-step guide on how to update like my PHP version, etc. I'll have to go through all of this example and then simply start using it. So I'm not going to do so, but as we saw before, it's very easy to do. So you can do it by your own. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.